Hi folks, Dara here again from Conlan Sons BMW in Limerick. So just to reiterate, just going to show you now in a moment the procedure of the cars that will come in for a service. So again, reiterating, the social distancing will be adhered to at all times in the garage with all of the staff here. So 2 meters apart. Again, just to reiterate, really important for anyone coming into the garage for your own safety and for the safety of the staff here. So just to let you know, this is our workshop here. Before your car, if your car is in for a service, before your car gets picked up by the technician, one of our valeting team will proceed out to the car with a BMW approved ergomatic machine. So this will disinfect the car completely. It takes about 20 minutes. So when your car is booked in and it's sitting out the front, one of the valeting team here will go out with this machine. It's an ergomatic machine. It disinfects the entire car. That will be placed in by the valeting team, and it'll be left alone to do its job for 20 minutes. Then the technician will proceed to collect the car and drive it into the workshop here, which is cleaned throughout the day, disinfected and cleaned throughout the day by our valeting staff here that we have at Conlan's in Limerick. So just to give you an idea of what exactly happens. So that is the procedure. The car then is worked on here, whatever needs to be done, and you can see at any given time you will have the steering wheel covered. The car will be fully disinfected. The steering wheel will be covered, the gear knob will be covered, obviously the seat and the floor footwell then as well. Car will be worked on. Again, the car may have to go on a road test, which 99% of the time, 100% of the time we would do anyway. So car will go on a road test with the technician. After that is done and completed by the technician, he will proceed to give the car to the valeting department, and yet again, this ergomatic machine to disinfect it after the car has been used by the technician for 20 minutes will be done for the second time. So fully disinfecting the car after any technician has been in it. So just to reiterate that, so that's for the safety of yourself, obviously the staff, but more so for yourself, so that you get your car back after it's completed here at Conlan's in Limerick. It'll be done a second time. So the car for you to collect will be completely disinfected for the second time by this BMW approved ergomatic machine that kills all the germs and the bacteria, the COVID bacteria that is around at the moment. So again, just to let you know, this is our workshop. You can see a couple of cars there to give you an idea of exactly what happens, but completely disinfected, completely cleaned, and will continue to do so throughout these difficult times of the COVID-19. And this will be done with our staff, our valeting staff here at Conlan's, a number of times throughout the day at any given stage, always checking in every so often. Again, stay safe. Please ensure the social distancing, 2 meters apart. We will be adhering that to here in Conlan's in Limerick. So just to stay safe, quick videos to give you an idea of exactly what happens here at Conlan's BMW in Limerick. Okay, folks, thanks for that. Take care. Bye-bye.